How to permanently deactivate Threads account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and in today's video we will see how we can deactivate Threads account. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Threads application in your device and make sure to log into your Threads account. Once you're logged in, you will get your home page. Now from here, navigate to bottom right corner and tap on the profile icon. Once you get to your profile page, again navigate to top right corner and tap on two horizontal line icon. That's gonna take you to your settings page. Here again tap on account option. Under account, there you will find an option that says deactivate or delete profile. Tap on it. Now before you move forward to deactivate your profile, make sure to read this information. It says deactivating your profile is temporary, but deleting your profile will be permanent. So to deactivate, tap on deactivate profile, and if you're sure, tap on deactivate. And with that, your account is now deactivated, but if you re-log in back to your Threads account, it's gonna again activate. So that's the way to deactivate Threads account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.